Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Padlock snap, chain on the ground. Whole backyard look like a battleground. 2 rock bows and reinforced steel. He trickin' tame me like it ain't real. Crate, bent, fence, dark, gate. Off hinges, mud on the rug. Turn my back for a minute to blink. Now I'm chasing paw prints past the rink. Neighbors smirking, man, that's wild. Wild, that dog's a feral child. Animal control got me on speed dial. I'm logging miles like the trial. I spend my time in a full sprint race. Wally up there grinning in my face. My dog got loose. Again, no lock, no face, can't hold him in. Burning gas, burning shoe. Who run my life? That dog got loose. That dog got loose. That dog got loose. That dog got loose. My zone box is stacked to the sky. Escape-proof kennel, that's a lie. He chew through bars like spaghetti strands, then vanish off like he's got plans. Got meetings missed, got calls decline, cause I'm chasing fur with the losing mind. GPS tag, he shook it off like nice try human, then he scoffed. Facebook post, has anyone seen? Yeah, whole town seen him tearing green through soccer fields and grocery lots, while I'm sweating through parking spots. I swear he waits till I sit down to eat, then it's jailbreak mode on 4 fast feet. My dog got loose. Siren sound, paw prints staring up the town. Chain them down, you must be cool Jews. Ain't no lotto can hold this dude. Hey, that dog got loose. Hey, that dog got loose. Hey, that dog got loose. Why you gotta run like that? Heart attack every time you go. You my best friend, that's a fact, but you live for take offs and revolt. One day I'm gonna lose it. One day I'm gonna lose it.